In this video, we are going to show you how to customize order payment receipts in Shopify. Now, of course, you need to be signed in to your Shopify account. And once you're logged in and you are in your admin dashboard, you want to click on settings on the lower left corner, like so. And here on your menu, in your settings menu, you want to click on notifications. It is on the very near bottom of the menu, like so. Once you are in notifications, you want to click on customer notifications. It is the first option amid the four. And once you are under customer notifications, you are going to scroll down until you see order payment receipts. So let's do that right now. So as you can see, it is under order exceptions, order payment receipts. I click on this one. And then here, this is going to be your default order payment receipt visuals or page. If you want to change this, all you need to do is click on edit code, right? And here you're going to be brought to this amazing page. This is intimidating if you don't know anything about coding or development. If you do, then by all means go ahead. But I would suggest that you get an expert, a developer, to help you customize your order payment receipt page. And after that, you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.